Wow, do you still want to eat cold salad? Today we're going to share a new way of eating that we guarantee you've never tasted before. It's really delicious. First, choose 2 cute potatoes from the tree and peel them. Use a knife to slowly raise them. Enough. Peel off the skin and cut everything out, cutting the middle into 2 halves, trimming all 4 sides, and finally trimming into small squares like this. When we change the knives, we put in 2. Insert the chopsticks and push until done. Cut and turn, push forward without cutting, just cut as shown in the video. Then scoop it into a bowl, add water, add 2 tablespoons of table salt and soak in the water for 20 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of sweet and sour sauce into the bowl, add half a tablespoon of distilled white vinegar, 1 large spoon of white sugar, and then add a little edible salt to get our delicious sweet and sour sauce. This time we soak the potatoes, then squeezed out the water and put it inside the dough. We should coat it with flour evenly. Must be coated evenly, like in the video. Then we fry them in a pan with 5 layers of oil. When you put them in the pan, you have to wash the oil to drain the oil. The blossoms will be very bouncy and beautiful. You can use chopsticks to cover your hands so they don't burn, so you have to open them. My friend ordered it for me twice and then told me to order it. I then don't burn the oil in the pot. Pour the best sweet and sour sauce to a boil. Simmer the water over low heat until it thickens and pour over the potato chips. Delicacy done. Potato chips, at home. What do you want to do or follow me like that? You only meet me when I'm cooking. Thank you.